What's up, y'all? We are driving in the streets of Hayward, California. I'm driving down this historical road called Mission Boulevard, and we're actually headed to a property on the Hayward Hills. It's on 1/4 of an acre, and it's listed for around 1.1, a little over 1.1, possibly may sell for 1.2. One of my clients wants to go check it out later, but we're gonna go tour the property and make this video for you all so you could see it online and see what this beautiful house is nestled up in the hills. It's very freaking cold today. It's what is it today? Wednesday, February 22nd. We're shooting this, and typically in California, Northern California, it should be in the high 60s right now, but today's highest is like 47 degrees. So if y'all see me wearing a jacket later on, and you're not from the Bay Area, just know that this is not freaking typical. And I think this is happening in a lot of other areas in the world and in other areas, parts of the country. But yeah, so get excited, guys. We're headed over there right now. All right, guys, welcome. We've made it here. So this is a corner lot, and this is in the highly desired College Parks Heights community here in the Hayward Hills. And as you can see, it's a beautiful piece of property. It's right on the corner. And earlier I mentioned this property was a little over 1.1 million. It's right below 1.2 million. It's listed at 1,180,000. So let's walk right in and show you guys how this property looks. So as you can see, the property has newly done flooring. It's a little bit dirty right now. People haven't been wearing their booties when they come visit. This is your formal living area right when you enter. And like right when I stand here, I can notice there's just a lot of sunlight. There's properties that you just walk right in and you could feel that freshness and that light, and this is one of those properties. This is, like I mentioned earlier, it's on a corner lot, so you have 2 windows right here pointing in 2 different directions, so you'll get a lot of sunlight coming in this room. And then we move in here. On this side, we have, by the way, it's beautifully staged home. We have your formal dining area connected to the kitchen, and lots of space here on this large island. This has been all newly remodeled. These are granite countertops. And this is a nice fresh white color. And then as you can see, all the appliances are brand new in this home. And another feature that they've added throughout the house is recessed lighting. So definitely this place has been remodeled all throughout. And you have a little area that can also be turning into an informal dining area, or your small coffee table can go right here. And then this area from the kitchen leads down to this area where we have this brick fireplace. This sliding door leads out to the patio area right from the living and the family area. And we will go out and tour the backyard after we look at the other parts of the house. So follow me and let's look at the rooms now. Now we're gonna look at the rooms. So starting off, we're gonna start here. This is the hallway, and this is the first bathroom in the hallway the only bathroom in the hallway that is a full bathroom, and here it is. Then we have room number 1 that faces out, has a large window. Like I mentioned earlier, this house just has lots of sunlight all throughout the house, and this white paint gives it this fresh feel and this very bright feeling and happy feeling inside the whole house. Again, recessed lightings were put in after. The ceilings here, this is an older home, so the ceilings out here there's still popcorn ceilings, which probably need to be replaced, but that's a minor thing that can be done. Moving forward, we have the bedroom number 2. Oh man, I can't get over this, how much sunlight's in this house. The windows can be changed. They're not double panel windows, they're the older single panel windows, so these can definitely be changed. The closet has mirrors on them. A lot of homes these days don't make these kinds of closets, but they're very, very convenient to, get ready in front of. Now we're moving forward to bedroom number 3, which is right here. It's a smaller bedroom. It looks over, the window is connected and looks over to the patio that we just saw earlier. This room also has a full mirror closet, which is awesome. And now we're moving to room number 4, which is the master suite. It has a walk-in huge closet to hang clothes and do lots of other things. And now we're gonna go ahead and look at the attached bathroom to this master suite. Ooh boy, this is nice. Again guys, this is an older home, so a lot of renovations have happened in this house. The seller has done a lot of work here to sell this property. And if you come on in and you see this bathroom right here, it has, what are those showers called? Rainforest, or one of those rainforest showers? Yes, rainforest showers. And has almost like a jacuzzi sauna type tub right there. And you have 2 sinks in this bathroom. Beautiful flooring. We'll get to that in a second. Our camera moves kind of slow, but beautiful flooring. And this home is centrally heated. Sometimes these older homes are not centrally heated, but this one is ducted throughout, so it is centrally heated. Now, if you're watching this video and you're not from California and you're like, well, do you guys really need heat? Yes, you definitely need heat in California. There are some really chilly days, and like today out of nowhere, which is not typical, it's 47 degrees, but you'll get cold winters out here. Okay, so now we're going to move outside to my favorite part of the house. And this is a sliding door that is connected to, how do I open this? Okay. All right, we finally got the door open. Now we're gonna lead out to the backyard of the house. And this is from the master suite. It's a little windy today. So this has a barbecue pit in the back. This is not in the ground, it's just something extra that they've left here. Wish it was in the ground, but this one's not. And this is your half-acre property lot size. Great for morning coffee, evening sunbathing, midday sunbathing. Maybe throwing the football around. There's a lot of room here for entertainment. And if you come on this side, you have the side of the house. Come on, come on, come on. And then all around here, you could see not all of the property is leveled out. So some of the acreage is on this hill that can be leveled out, but you still have enough space here to do a lot of things. The home does have also centralized air conditioning. That's something that you may not need here in the Hayward Hills because it gets hot, but up here, for the most part, you can just do with having your windows open, but it's good to have air conditioning. All right, that's all I have for today, guys. If you are traveling from out of the state, or even out of the country, and you're looking to buy a house in Northern California, and you're looking for something like this, which is 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, on a 1/4-acre lot, corner lot, lots of sunlight, lots of places to relax, and something like this to entertain your guests, this Hayward is going to be the best place to look because this is just under 1.2 million. And if you're looking to buy a house just like this in other areas, in other parts of the Northern California areas, let's just say the Bay Area particularly, you're not going to find anything below 1.5 million. So you're getting your best for your buck in this area. On top of that, you're sitting on a hill that has a beautiful view outside, is 10 minutes walking distance to Calisdale East Bay, tons of parks and recreational areas in the area, hikes, trails. It's right there, nestled right there in which we call the green belt, which are all these greenery and all these trees around the area. So if you've liked the tour and you would like more information, you can either go to my description in the video below and click the link to connect with me, or you can leave me a comment below and I will do my best to get back to you. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Cut and Sink.